If you find yourself in a relationship that you would describe as sexless or just not satisfying sexually, it's probably because you've allowed your relationship to get there over a long period of time. Now, maybe you once had a good sex life and lots of things have happened and they have not been discussed. And really the key to improving almost any part of a relationship is to be able to have the conversations to talk about what it is you need, what it is you want, how you feel about things that have happened. And that obviously is especially true for sex and intimacy and romance. Maybe you've made suggestions in the past and have gotten shut down, and now you're just sort of gun shy and you don't want to feel that feeling anymore of being rejected. Lots of reasons to not have the conversation, but none of them are good. If you want to have a healthy, romantic, intimate, sexual relationship with the woman that you are with, then you have to have the conversations. And if you don't feel like you have the skills or you're afraid to do it, then you need to ask for help. It's the only way, whether in this relationship or the next relationship, that you're going to have the kind of relationship that you really want.